Okay, in this section we shall be discussing color names and background. All right. So I quickly prepared this so we can make use of it. Of course, I don't think this should be strange to you. H1, and then I name this class color one. Maybe I should start from scratch. That is my way, and that is the same thing we're supposed to do. So I do H1, and then I do demo for heading 1, right? And then I give it a name 1, and then the same thing I do H2. I call it sorry please, H2 I call it we are doing pretty well is CSS, right? Wow. Okay, so having these two, right, I don't want to use a H1 tag. Remember, we can use this H1 as selector, as element. I just want to use class so that I will keep improving your knowledge. All right, so I'm going to do class header 1, and then I'm going to do here, I'm going to do class header 2. All right, so header 1. So that's it. Now I am going to my CSS. Remember, my CSS is working because I have got this. Yes. So, and in case you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please head back and then subscribe to my YouTube channel at Sadiko. And then, of course, you always be able to get every notification of new projects in the future, and even as this course is currently ongoing. Let's go ahead and use this header 1 to do our magic. Now, in this course, like I said, I'm talking to you about color names and background. All right, so I'm going to define dot header. All right, and then that's it. So dot header, I'm going to do color. I give it red. Now you can see this is going to reflect. I'm going to save this, and I hope. Beautiful. So this is red, and then having this red, right? Someone would ask, bros, where do you normally get this name? Where do you normally get this red name? Do I have to cram it? Oh no, you don't have to cram it. All right. Now you would see once because I'm using VS Code, once I hit on this, it automatically brings out different colors for me. Different color and their name, several colors and their name. All right, several colors, as much as it can give, and their names. All right, now I can decide to choose any of them. Of course, I can decide to choose any of them. I can decide to choose this one, and also, most importantly, these color names are right online. I would implore you to go to W3 School. Of course, go online, type class name, HTML color names. All right, so you would see a whole lot. I love W3 School because they have a detailed information, well-detailed information. All right, colors names supported by all browsers, as you can see. So you can see thousands and almost about 140 of them or more, about 140, I think, either 140 or more. Look at it. Thank you very much. 140 color names. So there are thousands of color names. It's up to you to go out there, know what colors suit what you want to do, and then go ahead and then take a look at them. I can go ahead and change my class to what? Dark red, right? Watch it, dark red. I can copy this and then paste to my dark red, and then here we go. Check out my stuff. This, you can see dark red, it has shown. So that is it. Now the next thing I want to show you is what? I want to show you background. Now you know what a color is, you know what a color property is, you know what color names are and how to get them. Now I want to show you background color. As you can see, there are different things. There are background, so I'll show you background color, right? Background color, let me say I give it black, right? Now this black, check it out. Here you go. You can see it has shown this. Now I want to show you background, right? I want to show you background. Let's quickly do the header 2. Remember, we have that class. So header 2, let me give it a color. All right, let me say the color is green. All right, now I want to do background instead excuse me please, I want to do background instead of background color. I want to do background instead of background color. Now you can see this background can be background image, can be background position, can be background color, can be background size, can be background repeat, can be anything. All right, as powerful as background could be, it could be. So now what we are saying is you have what? Background. All right, background color, you have background image and all that. Now this background is very powerful. Background on its own is very powerful. All right, so there's a whole lot that can be created for it. So you can actually just say background and then give it what? Give it a color. Let me say black too. All right, so you would see what's happening here. Let's give this in yellow. It's up to you, please. Whatever you choose to do in your own is up to you. So I just want to let you know that there is background and there's background color, and in that background there are background color, background image, background, and all that. We'll get to understand this as we move forward in this class. But for this class, all I needed you to understand is what? Understand what a color is, all right, and when to apply how to apply it, and then understand how to get the color names. All right, so if you see this black, you know where to get it. Of course, you can, VS Code provide you the opportunity to click on this and then choose any of the color you want and all those sort of a thing. All right, you can do that. Yes, of course you can do that, and then you can even decide whether you want a different set of color, blah blah blah. You can decide whether it is HW, and we'll look into all this and we'll get to know what they are shortly. All right, but for now, all I needed to understand is what? I needed to understand that we have color and how to get the color names, and then we have background color, we have background, and that is all I wanted to get in this class. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.